just outside my balcony here. You won't be able to see anything, except for the lighting over there is toward the bar. But you can see flashes of light. Thunder. I didn't see the thunder on there, or lightning. Come on. Oh, yeah. Hope it was caught there. And it's pouring rain, by the way. Pouring rain. Oh, yeah. So I'm just here, just outside my room, by the stairs to go upstairs to the second floor, but just shooting the sky because it's flashing with the lightning. It had just a thunderstorm here. We had pretty good lightning and thunder, so I'm hoping we can see some. It's been kind of here and there, but I would love to see a nice, thorough, deep lightning. Oh, there we go. Hope we can see that. Just tapping there a second ago. Come on. Come on, lightning. Light up the sky. It doesn't seem like it's raining, but it is. I think it was just pouring a few minutes ago. Nope, there we go. Nice flash of light there. Lovely.